Do you feel like you would like to expand your career and your skills as a trader? In this video, we will talk about IQ Option's VIP account, the requirements of opening one, and the perks that traders get when signing up for one. The VIP account is only available to traders residing outside the EU and North America. To qualify, you'll need to make a minimum deposit of $1,900 or have a trading volume of $15,000 within a period of 3 months. So, what exactly do you get back for signing up? Higher returns on options trading. How about an extra 2% above the regular 80% you would get on successful trades? This makes it easier to grow your account faster. The returns can be as high as 92%. This means even if you have losing trades, it's easier for you to recover the losses within a few winning trades compared to a normal account holder. Another advantage of being an IQ Option VIP is that you'll get a personal account manager. The account manager simply helps with any issues regarding your trading account. This allows you to focus on trading. Another VIP account privilege is faster withdrawals processing. Many of the VIP account withdrawals are processed within 24 hours. As a VIP account holder, you'll get access to all tournaments offered by IQ Option, as some high-paying tournaments aren't available to normal account holders. As a new VIP account holder, you'll also get 4 quality trading ebooks. These will get you started trading faster. Opening a VIP trading account might bring you special perks, but this doesn't mean that you should leave your trading to your personal account manager. Remember that this is your money, so it's your job to ensure that you keep it and make money from it. Trade your VIP account like you still have limited capital. All other IQ Option rules apply when using the VIP account. So head over to the full article and sign up for your IQ Option VIP account using the form on the side.
If you haven't already done so, for more additional information on this topic, you can visit our full article on our website using the link in the description. Also on our website, you will find more free tools and information that can help you in your trading. Note that our website supports 18 different languages. See you in the next video. Thanks for watching.